YouTube has a really helpful analytics tool that shows you all kinds of data. Sometimes I think it's overwhelming, probably a little bit too much for me, but it does show that a lot of you are watching my videos, but not everybody subscribes. So I don't know, maybe you forgot. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Thank you. What a wonderful piece. Wow, it's filled with character and really try to make it as smooth, make it sound as smooth as you can. It's all about phrasing, it's all about how you handle the mixed bowings and all kinds of different moments, musical moments that happen along the way as you go through. And it's really cool, wonderful piece for showcasing your skills, really wonderful. If you guys enjoying the videos, please consider subscribing to my YouTube membership side. I would really appreciate your support this way, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.